This is a product video for Veja, LX Hausys vehicle full wrapping solution. It combines their premium cast digital print film, LD92ST, and a high gloss, max durability PVC-free overlaminate. This combination offers the best combination of performance, durability, and shine. We begin with production and the LD92ST. It comes in widths of 54 and 60 inches. Download the right profile for your specific printer, solvent, latex, and UV ink platforms can be used. For the PVC-free overlaminate, use standard laminating protocols and then trim and label the panels correctly. Now move on to properties of the material. The adhesive is gray and slidable with air egress features. To secure it to the surface, apply firm squeegee pressure and add heat to activate the adhesive. The unique combination of Veja means that it is extremely flexible. Even when overstretched, it maintains the color, much better than competitor films. If the film is overstretched, simply pick the film back up and trigger the memory effect to take it back to its original shape and tension. For best results, always clean the vehicle the day before the install. Avoid using waxes or harsh solvents. Move the vehicle inside and be sure the workspace temperature is between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. For install, the first step is to remove the hardware. Remove the hardware safely, then, once removed, use an air compressor to flush out any dirt. For emblems, like on this hatchback, make a template before removing it to ensure a precise reinstall when the wrap is done. Next up is cleaning. Spray the surface evenly, work from top to bottom, and open all doors. Next up is clay barring to ensure an optimally smooth surface. Then degrease the surface with a mixture of 70% isopropyl alcohol. It's very important to clean in the gaps and open the doors. Lower the surface energy of raised objects, and note that due to the very low initial tack of the Veja combination, large sections can be comfortably wrapped like the driver and passenger side. By removing the entire liner, squeegee the film onto the main surface, then cut the film safely away from all gaps, and use an application glove for door handle cups. For areas where there's tight gaps, take the film to the main surface area, then tuck it safely into the gap before cutting it away, then use the hard side of the squeegee to seal the film firmly to the surface. Adding heat to the film is always recommended to ensure a tight seal. For sections like the hood, installers can work by themselves. On curves, warm the film thoroughly and relax the film to the edge. Always hook the corners to get full coverage and hold. Then for low grab point areas like the top and sides of the hood, cut on the side of the hood, which is called empty. Seal the film to the edge and add heat to activate the adhesive. For high grab point areas, wrap the film under 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch. For raised objects like antennas, it's a good idea to make a template in order to work the film around these areas tension-free. Once the film has been worked around the antenna, glass the film out on the main surface area. Then at the base of the antenna, do a focused tuck and cut 2 for full coverage and to ensure no tension. For installers working by themselves, it's recommended to use a bumper pull when working by themselves, as well as the Wrap Institute Zero Stretch and Wrap Matrix techniques to form the film tension-free to the surface. For edges, do the tuck and cut 2 technique to ensure full coverage, and for recessed areas like at the top of the bumper, feed the film into the gap before cutting it away. For sections like the trunk or hatchbacks, prop them open safely with a yellow open. Remove the entire liner, then pull the film firmly to the corners to create what's called glass, which is a wrinkle-free surface. Squeegee the film onto the surface and cut the film away using standard techniques. The Veja combination easily conforms to corners and edges to ensure a fast, professional install. For sections like the front bumper, it's recommended to use 2 installers. Relax the film onto the surface. Then, when working around a raised object like this emblem, use a series of relief cuts and cut away the excess film safely around open areas so the film can be easily tucked into the edges and cut away using the tuck and cut 2 method. And note, when applying film on top of the Veja, since the main surface area now has stain and scratch resistant properties, wipe it first with an isopropyl alcohol mixture, 70%, then apply the cutouts. This raises the surface energy and ensures a long-term hold for the cutouts on the main surface. For post-install, reinstall all the hardware and emblems and wipe it down with an approved aftercare product. It takes 24 hours to reach maximum adhesion if the temperature of the vehicle is above 55 degrees Fahrenheit. The extreme high gloss finish showcases the quality of the print. In addition, the PVC overlaminate is easy to maintain and clean. More importantly, the warranty is up to 10 years on vertical surfaces. For more information on Veja, the vehicle full wrap solution from LX Hausys, and where to purchase it, be sure to go to this URL. And also, be sure to follow LX Hausys on social media.